I want a nice, healthy, filling brunch. I'm making a frittata. I've got a piece about that big of chorizo, which I'm just going to cut into small discs. In my frying pan here, I've got a splash of olive oil and 1 banana shallot, very finely chopped, which is just going to cook until soft. I also had, I had a quarter of a courgette that I have cut up into little quarters, sliced and quartered. I'm going to put 3 eggs in a bowl. I know it's a lot, but it's breakfast and lunch, and I'm hungry. Oh, this is for one. I've preheated my oven to about 200 degrees, or you could also finish this off under the grill. But I've got some other things that I want to put in the oven at the same time. Season the eggs with salt and pepper. And beat them. And I'm going to get a little bit of parsley chopped ready for the end. Like most of my cooks, I'm making this up as I go along. I'm going to put these pieces of chorizo in the pan and just let them cook until the oils are reduced. After 3 or 4 minutes of cooking the chorizo, I'm going to just put in the courgette as well. You can add anything. A little bit of a season. And cook that for about 4 or 5 minutes. I've poured in the eggs, give it a stir, and let it and move it from the edges, and just let it cook for a few minutes so the underside gets cooked. Stir in some of the parsley, and just because I want another extra hit of protein, I'm actually just going to put in a couple of blobs of cottage cheese. This is a very high protein brunch, and protein actually makes you feel full. I'm going to put that in the oven for maybe 5 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it. This has actually had 3 minutes. It's cooked to the way I like it. I'm going to finish it off with just a little bit of parsley. I do love to mix raw with cooked. So I've got, these are some sugar snap peas that I've just thinly sliced. That's going to add a lovely crunch. Let's see if I can get it out. It's not going to be beautiful. Yum. I'm going to finish it off with some pepper. And some rocket. That's what I call a really splendid looking brunch.